departments today. So we discussed the cloud security, unit 5. So now my students are going to explain a case study on Salesforce. So Salesforce is one of the most widely used cloud-based CRM platform, and it also faces severe issues, security threats mainly due to misconfigurations or data access controls. So now my students are going to discuss about this in a detailed manner. Thank you.
Start.
Speaking about Salesforce, Salesforce is one of the rapidly used customer relationship management system used by thousands of companies worldwide. It is mainly used to hold the records of the customers and the product being purchased by them. Why it is being at a critical level? Some hackers named as Shiny Hunters and Scatter Spiders are one of the famous black hat hackers in 2025, where they have intruded in data breaching and stolen many of the data of Salesforce. By these data being stolen, the customers have faced a wide range of downfall in their companies and facing a major loss. By Salesforce drop, the companies are not able to rectify the losses they have made.
Second is attack flow. Attack flow means this is into the social engineering, where social engineering means cyber attack, where the cyber attacks are not done by the technologies, but done by the human psychology. Like attackers post as ID staff and called employees. This is called voice phishing or phishing. Employees were tricked into downloading a malicious software version of a Salesforce data loader. The data loader normally a legitimate tool for bulk export of Salesforce record or substitute for a data set. Hackers can exploit the sensitive data. Trigger some security alerts because tool look legitimate. This was not a hack of a Salesforce server, but a compromise of end users through deception.
Hi sir, because users and process human errors for the business employee trusted fake ID callers. Companies lack strict policies about what software can be installed. Salesforce API's access was not tightly monitored and making it easy to extract huge volumes of data. It can be identified under access management. Attackers used valid credentials once employees were tricked. In the short way, this was not a technical bug, but a failure is training, monitoring, and processing info.
Start.
Myself, I talk about impact and consequences. Data was massive, nearly 1.5 billion records stolen from around 160 organizations. Exposed data include customer details, accounts, contact info, and case records. Business impact to loss of trust from customers, reputational damage, and possible legal actions and penalties under GDPR, HIPAA, etc. Broader impact will show how SaaS compromises can ripple across hundreds of companies at once.
Start.
I am Rahul, and my topic is about remediation and response. Companies act quickly, revoke the malicious tools across investigated, compromised accounts, information customers. Best practice that should have been in place. Multi-factor authentication (MTA) for all Salesforce login. Restriction on installation, third-party tools, continuous monitoring of abnormal data export. Example: multiple records in a short time. Stress. If preventive measures were stronger, the sales of the data loss could have been minimized.
Myself, Pakistan, and I am going to talk about future implications. Cloud security is not just about the provider, Salesforce, but also about how customers use it. Attackers are evolving. Instead of just malware, they now use social engineering plus cloud tools. Future security must combine technology, AI-driven anomaly detection like policy, restricting actions, people, training employees, and moving on to broader applications. This breach is a warning to all companies using SaaS. They must treat SaaS data with same seriousness as on previous systems. Closing. The Salesforce case teaches us that weakest link in cloud security is often human trust, not technology. Thank you.